Here we go, Drew.
Hey, help me to go find something to eat. Come on, everybody, here we go.
Here we go.
I see a big carrot. Do you like carrots? Mama says I have to eat all my vegetables if I want to have dessert. And I do want to have dessert. Oh, this apple tastes just like apple strudel. Oh, give me some strudel. I think I ate a watermelon seed. I hope I don't grow a big watermelon in my tummy.
Water from the watermelon.
I know.
Just walking around. Big face off. Purple crabs or yummy desserts. Animal crackers. Animal crackers. There's so yummy in here. My favorite part of the animal crackers.
So glad they put this in.
Orange. There's so many goodies. Sweets and sweets are my favorite things to eat, yeah. Mama always says to say, excuse me. Excuse me.